Growing a YouTube channel involves a combination of content strategy, audience engagement, and optimization. If you follow some tips, you can get good results. Quality content. Create high-quality, engaging videos that cater to your target audience. Focus on what sets your content apart. Consistency. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistent posting helps build a loyal viewership. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos get discovered through search. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create compelling thumbnails that grab attention and accurately represent your video content. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. Engaging with your audience can lead to higher retention and better search rankings. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can expose your channel to a new audience. Social media promotion. Share your videos on social media platforms to increase visibility. Utilize platforms where your target audience is active. Playlists. Organize your videos into playlists. This encourages viewers to watch more of your content, increasing your channel's watch time. Customize your channel. Have an appealing channel banner, an informative about section, and organize your content into playlists to make navigation easy for viewers. Analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to understand your audience, track performance, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, growth takes time, so be patient and stay committed to improving your content and engaging with your audience.